Let's go ahead and start with yellow going down the middle, and then don't forget we also have orange, red, and pink on the sides, on both sides. So yellow is going to get tied like it always does. Yellow never gets that much action when it goes first. It's going to go right here. Once yellow is tied, we're going to keep it very simple. Orange is going to come above yellow, and we're actually going to tie it with yellow. So now yellow and orange come together as one. Right there, we're going to tie it. Once it's tied, we need to start pulling. This is the one hairstyle that I do like to pull as I go. What we're going to do now is we're going to create a ball with our yellow yarn. It is a lot easier with hair, but it's still doable with yarn, so we're going to do it. And we're creating a ball or a bead, a nice 3D circle. There. Next step is going to join red with orange and yellow, and we're going to join it right there. That's it. It's that simple. As you go section by section, you're just going to make it join your section in the middle. I'm going to tie it right here. Once it's tied, we need to pull before we keep moving forward. Orange and yellow is what I'm going to pull on to create a bead, or to create a bubble, or to create a 3D circle. We are creating a bead. But only with our yellow and orange yarn. The one on top was only yellow, the second one is orange and yellow. We do not pull on the red. All right, last section. Pink is going to be joined with our middle section. It's all going to come together. Yellow, orange, red, and pink are going to be tied together. Before we keep moving forward, let's go ahead and pull on our bead. This bead is going to be red, orange, and yellow. We are not pulling on the pink. And this is going to be really easy. All you have to do to keep going is tie it again right here. So for our fourth bead, we are actually now going to pull on all the colors, pink included. You do this until you run out of hair, but whenever you go ahead and tie the next one, make sure that they're about the same distance apart so that your beads are about the same size. Let's go ahead and just do one last one, and let's pull on it. All the colors are there. Yellow is in the bag, that's why you don't see it, but it's definitely there. So we have our orange, our red, our pink, and our yellow. This is simple enough. Let's go ahead and do this on a mannequin head. As always, let's go ahead and take out our yellow section, which is a horseshoe on top of the head. Yellow always goes first. You should know this by now, right? All right, so we're going to tie it right here. Once yellow is tied, next step is orange. Easy breezy, it's going to join yellow. It's not going to be above, it's not going to be under, it's going to be with yellow. Orange is going to be from side to side. Grab your entire section from ear to ear. Right across, all of it. And we're going to tie it with yellow. Go ahead and use a comb or your fingers to make sure all of this is nice and clean, and tie it right there. Orange and yellow are together as one, but we only pull on yellow to create our little bead, our little 3D circle, our bubble. This is yellow, only this. This is orange. We are not going to pull on orange. Hang on to your hair tie, pull on yellow, and give it a nice 3D shape. And you always want to pull now before keeping going. Because if you tie everything first, here, 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 this will be extremely hard to pull. So pull it now, then we move along. Next is going to be red. You're going to grab the whole section from side to side. All of it, side to side. And we're going to tie it right there. Red has joined orange and yellow. We are not going to pull on red. We're only going to pull in the middle, the orange and the yellow. Hang on to your hair tie and go ahead and fluff out your bead. Let's go ahead and do the last section. We're going to grab it all because it's pink. This is the pink section. We're going to grab it all and we're going to tie it right there. All the sections are tied together, but we're still not going to pull on pink. We're only going to pull on now yellow, orange, and red. Hang on to your hair tie, pull on your bead, make it in a nice 3D circle. Try to make sure that all your beads are about the same size. All right, let's keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and put a hair tie right here. All the sections are together yet again, but this time you get to pull on all 4 colors. Hang on to your hair tie and pull on your bead. Making sure they're all about the same size. You can always go back up and adjust, but every time you pull on this one, it will also pull on this one. If you pull on this one, it will pull on this one, which will then pull on this one. So try to make sure that you pull before you move to the next section. And if one bead gets pulled on because you pulled from a bead above, make sure you adjust the beads below. So although this hairstyle is very simple to execute, keeping the beads the same size by pulling accordingly and consistently throughout, that could be the tricky part. It can all be that easy. And then if you want to, you can keep going some more. You can do another one right here. So this will be just the last one, because the more you do, the prettier it is. Hanging on to my hair tie, now pulling it into a 3D circle. There. Always making sure that the size of each bead is approximately the same size, and making sure that your 3D, whatever you pull out, is also about the same width.